everyone, and welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're going to be making cheddar cheese bread. It's really easy and you can do it in no time. So let's get started. In a large bowl, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of sugar, which I already put in here. You're going to need 2 cups of flour. I just kind of puff up my flour before I put it in. You're going to need 4 teaspoons of baking powder. This will kind of give it its rise. 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to do the salt first, that way it doesn't taste like garlic powder when I'm done. Okay, and 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder. And you're going to whisk that all together. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way so you can see.
She's learning.
You're gonna preheat your oven to 350 and you're going to grease a loaf pan. So whisk this together really well.
So with the garlic and the cheese, it's going to be similar to like the Cheddar Bay
Biscuits. Maybe.
Similar to that. Well, I like both cheese and garlic, so it doesn't matter.
Okay, so then in a separate bowl, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 cup of milk, and I'm adding the milk to the warmer butter because we're going to add an egg, and you don't want to put an egg into hot stuff. It'll scramble it. 1 egg. Okay, now we're going to whisk that together. Okay, now to your dry ingredients, you're going to add 1½ cups of shredded cheddar. I'm doing 2 cups because we like it cheddary in the house.
I like cheese.
Okay, we're going to mix that together so it's all incorporated. Like I said, this is really easy bread.
I was going to say, it looks kind of simple, you know. This doesn't have to rise or anything.
Nope, no yeast in it.
Just slam it together, throw it in the oven.
Yep. Okay, now you're going to add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients.
We're coming in for a look.
And you're just going to mix this until it's combined. You don't have to be gentle with it. No folding. This would be good with grilled cheese, tomato soup. This could be your grilled cheese.
Yeah.
Or what you could do is make the bread and then cut some into cubes, put a little bit of butter on them and put them in the oven until they crispen up like a crouton and use them in your tomato soup.
Oh, yeah. Or make bread bowls and put chili in it.
I don't think this would be a good bread bowl because it's not like a hollow. It's a
dense
loaf, very dense. That's why I say that croutons would be amazing in this. All right, I'm just giving it a quick stir and making sure everything in the middle is mixed. All right, now we're going to put it in our pan. Let me wipe off my counter. I got milk all over. Put it in your prepared pan. And you're going to bake it for, let me see, 45 to 50 minutes until top is golden brown and a toothpick in the center comes out clean, okay? So I'm just going to pour this into my bowl, my pan actually, not my bowl.
Yes, it is. Good.
Alright, so our bread is finished. Start checking it at 35 minutes because mine only took 40 minutes. And I just took a butter knife and put it in the middle and came out clean, and that's it. I let it cool in the pan until I can touch it, and then I took it out. It's still a little warm. You want to eat it when it's a little warm. And so I'm going to cut it and show you what it looks like inside. And I'll have Jack taste it because I can't have bread. Alright, Jackie, come taste this.
Oh, don't mind if I do.
It's very soft, moist in a good way.
It's delicious, and it tastes similar to the Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuits,
It smells
only better.
it smells to me like pizza. So if you try this, please comment down below what you like or what we should change, and we'll take your suggestions and we'll roll with it, okay? So please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and remember, you do you.